Hi!
I'm Larry Miguel Tabianan.
And I'm Winnie Jane B. Tabianan.
And we are the teachers in Binuangan. We just want to share our experiences during the rainy season. There's a wide river here in Binuangan that the water level becomes high when there's a continuous rain. The challenge was many of our students need to cross the river to attend the classes. Although it's difficult to cross when the river is high, they still came. There were times that my students couldn't cross the river, so I went to their houses to have our class. That's how we value education.
With my experience during the rainy season, another problem here was the food for our students. Most of our students came to school with an empty stomach. That's why it's difficult for them to be attentive. What we did was we provided their lunch every Monday. We didn't have budget for the food, but God provided their needs. We praise God that we had sufficient food for all students during time. With our experiences, we learned that God provides
and protects.